Today we're going to talk about 2014 Street Glide Special.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
What's going on? Michael with Lawn Dude here. Doing something a little different. Trying to keep my channel lawn care related. But this is one of the things I do in my spare time. When not with the family or out cutting lawns. It's a 2014 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. I did a lot of customizations myself on it. I just did these handlebars. I went with the 10s. Got them pre-wired. Installed them myself. That was a lot of fun. Said no one ever. Had to put the aftermarket mirrors on. I installed the fairings. Installed the highway pegs. I do have a air horn on it. That bad boy is loud. Of course, little cup holders, cell phone mount. What else I got on here? Detachable tour pack, which I don't run with this most of the time, but it is nice to have. Have the backrest. Of course, we got the Reinhardts on there. Got to have those Reinhardts. At the market. Intake and filter. And it does have the FP3, the Vance & Hines FP3 tuner in it as well. Has the additional lights, LEDs, navigation, all the features you get with the Street Glide Special. Bike is solid.